Boo-boo! You watching cats? Boo-boo!
What the hell is that?
Cats! It looks like you, Boo-boo.
Look at all these stupid lazy cats. Blanket, Ignite, Captain Creature, hide him from the Jang. We got Muncie, Keep Boo Boo, my Black Panther, and then we had Django. She just ran away. Django! Django, you little whore, where you at? Is your heat gone? You gone? Is your sex gone? You gone with the heat? This is the one spot that Django cannot bother Captain Creature with her going into heat phase. So he squeezes his entire body in this fucking little hut. He's way too big. Right, Jang? You little whore. You got my Captain Creature hiding from everybody. Yeah, you. Creature. Why don't you come out, dude? Everybody loves you. Creature! My fluffy man. Mancy! Mancy! Mancy want a cheeseburger? Key Boo Boo! My Black Panther! Boo Boo! Hi, Boo Boo. Yes, thank you. You cleaned my filthy hands. They were on my butt. I was scratching my butt. You just licked my butt. Just like you licked Muncie's butt. And Django's butt. And Blanket! I just freaked them all. Muncie! Blanket! Blanket, I'm sorry, Blanket. You clean me too? No, you know better. You're like, that was on your butt. This is Blanket. She has Down syndrome. She's the Down syndrome kitty. We still love her. Muncie! Muncie! You want your fishy in the sink? Why'd everybody run? Because of my screen? Creature was out. Creature is the biggest cat here, and he's the biggest baby. Jang! What are you doing, Jang? Django! Where'd Creature go? Where'd he go? He's probably hiding under the bed. Oh, he's hiding under here. Creature, you're that scared, dude? Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, God, you're such a baby. He's the only male. And he's the biggest baby. Gentle giant. Alright, I'm gonna go lay down, okay? You wanna come join me? What do all you want? We're gonna play a game, guys. It's called Race to the Bottom of the Stairs to Get the Treats. Are you in the mood for this game, Boo-Boo? The race down the stairs. Huh? Alright, let's go here. Let's get the amazing treats. Temptations. Oh, it's already got the cats going crazy. Oh my goodness. All these kitties love me. All the kitties love me and my bald head. You want treats? Look at all these little fuckheads. All they want is fucking food. Kitties want food, kitties want treats. Boo-Boo. Yo. Hey, where are you going, little shit? What do you want, Jang? Blanket? What do you want? Do you want these treats on my head? Hmm? Alright, we're gonna play a game. Race to the treats. Let's go. Ready? Race to the treats. Race to the treats. Look. The treats are this way. Come on, you lazy shits. Alright, look. They're going, and they're gone. Cat can't figure out that they went down the stairs with. Creature, they're downstairs. Alright, let's get the bag. Whoa! 2 cats are running up the stairs, terrified. I don't know what's going on. Alright, let's open these fuckers. Alright, Munchie. Munchie, you want treats? Do you want these treats, Muncie, Muncie? Let's open these fuckers. God damn it, I gotta pause this. That is the wrong treat. The wrong thing. Alright, let's get these treats down the stairs. Ready? Goddamn cat's in the club. It's bright. Alright, ready? Here goes some treats. Ready? Go get them. Race to the treats. Race to the treats. This is the crappiest race ever. Are you ready for round 2? Round 2, race to the treats. You run back up like you see me in the bag. You know I'm going to throw them down the fucking stairs. Look. You guys are the slowest racers ever. Feeding the pigeons. Feeding the pigeons. Oh yeah, run back up the stairs. That makes a lot of fucking sense. Stupid cats. Not very bright, are we, Blanket? Blanket, go downstairs and get the treats. You want these? Yeah, there you go, Blanket. Come down, Muncie. Blanket down there already. And then we got the Django over here. Django! Django is not in heat anymore. Alright, no more treats. I'm not even vlogging today. Up here, Munce.
Muncie! Muncie boo boo!
Fat man. Look, here's the bag. We do this all the time. Fight for it. Fight for the bag. Fight for the bag. Get the bag. You're starting your own Temptations commercial. Alright, you guys suck.
Temptations.
Alright, I'm out. You are dumb.
Muncie, show me your parkour, Muncie. Do the parkour, Muncie. We'll kick off the wall.
These weirdos.
You just witnessed an engagement. Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of
Ed's
here!
drunk.
Yeah,
She's
Get
celebrating.
me through this.
She's celebrating their
Let's
engagement
finish
already.
our catalog.
With
Baby,
a 40.
baby.
Someone's stolen
And I got it all
sunglasses.
on film.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Ed and Kate.
Wait. Who else do you know?
What, they are coochie hanging out?
She's stolen. Jerk.
I want something else. Oh my god. That's what I'm kind of like.
Alright, I'm gonna stop recording.
Baby, I want something else.
TJ's taking a break from video recording tonight.
Good.
My man, he knows. Put your foot away. I disagree.
Cheers. Ed,
TJ, goddammit.
sorry. Wait.
Shut the fuck up.
Look at Ed sitting here on this broke ass bench outside Cassandra's fucking drinking a 40.
It's like 5 in the morning.
And Kate just burped.
Sorry.
Damn, you still didn't finish that shit?
You would
Good
never
God.
guess I'm 27.
Nope.
Al? Where have you been? I was inside. It was nothing. No yard, no grill. It's just white and cold.
It was winter, buddy. Just winter.
Huh. Somebody get this man a burger.
Blanket.
Winter's over. It's time to come out and grill. Kick off grilling season with tips and techniques at grilling.com.
The goblet squat.
Spider lunch. Forward bolt.
Renegade rows.
I'm never bored with Daily Burn. Daily Burn is your digital fitness solution whenever and wherever you need it. Daily Burn is your complete resource for innovative workouts and nutritional guidance.
Kickboxing, dancing.
Kettlebells, bodyweight movements. Variety is what makes it work.
Daily Burn has the complete package. We got our
Sneak 'em.
food, we got our workout. I lost 22 pounds in 90 days with Daily Burn. You're gonna love it.
And the winner
Daily
is
Burn's secret is variety.
Captain
You'll
Creature
never
is
be
still the
bored
king of the
since you
castle.
quit. Go to dailyburn.com/330 to learn more, and then try
She may try again, though.
For less than one session with a personal trainer, you can access every Daily Burn workout for
She's
an
back.
entire year.
Django is back. She's in heat. And her sister Blanket's in heat as well. But Captain Creature is fixed. So we're good. No babies. Hey, buttheads. Creature. Look. Happy Cinco de Mayo from all of my cats. Cats. Creature. Cinco de Mayo, creature. Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo, kitties? What's going on? Where's the Cinco de Mayo? Manse? Manse? Creature. Hey. If you'd move, I could see the fucking mayonnaise over here. But no, you gotta be in the fucking way. You're the worst. Look who I caught playing in the sink. Mancy! I know you've been wanting to go in the sink forever. Ever since I showed you it. And Blanket, now we got Blanket, she's in heat now, and not her sister Django anymore. It's like the freaking tabby cat wonders of the world here. Yes, Muncie, it's not litter. You can't bury water. Open up the thing like you did before. Open up the drain. No, you can't. You can't bury water. Muncie. Yeah, open up the drain, Mons. Came in, there's like water all over the floor. And Creature's fat ass is over here drinking it. Yes, you fat ass. Muncie! What a good way to start off the vlog. Open it, Munce. You get that to drain, it'll be cool. It's in there pretty tight though. Muncie! Are you just gonna watch, Django? Muncie, you just splashed the shit out of me. Muncie! And there goes Creature. See, being fat like he always is, licking the water. Oh my god, this cat is splashing the shit out of me. Muncie! Creature, stop being a little bitch. Just go up there and fucking swim with her. You're a little bitch. Muncie! Kitty Boo Boo's missing all the fun. I don't know where she is. She's probably sleeping. My socks are all wet. Just change them. Damn it. Muncie! Muncie! God, you were splashing the shit out of me. Thank you. How do I splash you? Look. What if I splash you? Yes, you don't like that. Look. Oh, I guess you don't care anymore now. You like this water, don't you? We gotta get you in the bathtub. We'll get you in the bathtub later. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording you now. Watch, as soon as I stop there, you'll probably do something really cool. That's what happens every time. Muncie! Muncie, take a bath, Muncie. Come on, monster, get in the water. Oh, there's my Black Panther. Kee-boo-boo! Yeah, the ground's all wet. Oh, you don't like that, do you? Should have lifted her paw up like a snob. What? What? What do you want? Muncie! Muncie! Alright, Muncie, I'm gonna drain it. Look. Look. Watch, ready for it to drain again? It's draining, Muncie. Get it! Save all the water! The loudest drain ever. It's all gone, Muncie! Boo Boo, it's all gone! You didn't even get to see it, Boo Boo. Monster. Oh, Boo Boo, your black ass missed it. You're always late. I wonder why. Because you're black. Black Boo Boo. Never show up on time to a party. Well, actually probably do, but not to work, apparently. Ow. Alright, guys. I'm not going to record you anymore. I hope you had fun. Monte! Clean the shit out of yourself. That's right, clean that shit. Monte! Oh, you fucking bitch. You splashed the shit out of my thing. Monte! Monte! Good girl, baby. Good girl. Who would have thought you'd like the water? We're gonna get a lot of cool videos of you in the future in the water. You just whining and crying and eating food and never going in the water. You're a big baby. Hello, TJ and Friends viewers again. It is Friday, May 9th, 2014. You may notice I'm wearing the same thing I wore when I vlogged last time, but that was 2 weeks ago. I took a break last weekend from the drinking because obviously, if you watch the video, it was a 2-day binge fest, and I need a break. But tonight there's another party somewhere in my hometown, Delanco, the next town over. We'll see how it is. He said invite whoever, but I didn't invite anybody because I don't know if that's the right thing to do, because I feel like there's going to be like 100-something people there. But I don't know. We'll see how it is. It's hit or miss. But if it's beat, we'll end up going to a bar or something. But that's my night so far. Alright, so we're here. Parking lot's full. He has his own parking lot out here. It's like a big grass field. I feel like I'm at like Stockton College back in the day at fucking one of the frat parties I used to go to, not mention names, but this house is packed. There's already like well over a couple hundred people here.
On-stage viewing for all approved
Alright, so there's about like 200 or so people here. Parking lot's out of control.
Courtesy of State Farm.
Now it's on. Alright, we're at the party now.
You see me growing out this beard? You know Brandon?
Yo, I don't mind.
But this is form to make video. Oh, this is Dennis.
That's crazy. What the fuck?
Carl said there'd be like 200 or 300 people here. I thought he was exaggerating, but there really is like 200 or 300 people.
Look at all the people.
Like this is ridiculous. Like there's people everywhere, all over here. I don't know. It's a banger, man. It's gonna be a good fucking time. But I feel bad for all those people that have to leave later because Carl's car is blocking him the fuck in.
Yeah, well, I got nervous. I can't park everywhere, and I got a breathalyzer.
And he's got a breathalyzer in his car, as you saw before after the midget wrestling show. So, man, that sucks. It's going to be a shit show when everybody leaves later. But as of now, we're going to have a good time.
Yeah.
And hopefully I get some entertaining videos for you guys later. But we'll see.
Fuck yeah!
We're hula hooping. We're hula hooping.
I know, right? Honestly.
Who'd have thought a local Delanco party be this banging?
good. So everybody keep it down. I will personally kick out whoever the fuck I want. And it will happen. So keep it down and keep it under control. Man, you're already 2 out.
That's a nice camera, man. Alright, so it's only been less than an hour and the cops already came outside. And I don't know. The owner obviously is going to get paranoid about that shit because he can get in trouble. Because I know there's a lot of old people here. But we're having a good time. I don't know. I don't see the problem. What's the problem, is it?
There's a lot of underage people, and that's a problem.
I have no idea what he's talking about. I think they're all 21 and above. Alright, see that light flashing behind me? That means the Popo is here. And the party just cleared the fuck out. It's been like an hour and a half.
We don't have to worry about it.
Look at that. Popo lights, Popo lights. Ed, what do you got to say about the Popo lights?
Yeah, it is what it is.
Carl's not drinking though, so we're good.
Over 21.
Yeah, we're all over 21, so I'm 30 fucking too. This is my other boy Eddie. You always meet my other friend Ed all the time. This is my other boy Eddie.
What's going on?
I actually accidentally messaged my other friend Ed that was coming here with me, and I said, yo, he won't be here till like 11, but yeah. Oh shit, Popo's here. Popo.
I am.
Popo is here, god damn it. They're here. Should I keep taping or not?
Yeah, fuck him. He's gonna read through that.
He's gonna go out in the woods and he's gonna fucking attack all those people.
You ever see a whole bunch of people running up?
These are only people that are over 21. You're fucking kidding me, right?
Where did you go? Where did you go? Yeah, it's great. I mean, you can still hear people talking.
I don't need any of this shit.
It's gonna be like fucking Jurassic Park, like the fucking. You're gonna hear him fucking running through the woods. Jumanji to Stampede.
Dude, we've been here for like an hour and the shit got broken up. That's bad. That's really bad.
I had a feeling this was gonna happen. If I was a cop, I'd do what Nah, I've chilled like places and shit before. Like the cop was like, he was like, yeah, you think I want to be busting underage people at 2 in the morning? He was like, get the fuck out of here.
Peanut butter and jelly on a paper fucking towel.
You went to get away well, our landlord, but when they go,
party's
like, when
over.
they go away,
Cops are here. We gotta go. We're probably gonna go to JD's.
My bad.
Yo, you want to go to a bar?
Alright, party's over. We could still stay. Yeah, that was really quick, but
JD's karaoke.
I don't know if I got it on video, but like 200 people underage ran into the woods. It was
Just
really
serious, man.
fucking funny.
You've seen Dazed and Confused? It was like Party at the Moon Tower. All we need is Matthew McConaughey. Just say, alright, alright, alright.
You know what I like about these girls? I get older, they stay the same age.
Someone should have made some Kiss dolls.
Is there Wawa around here?
There's actually one right down the street.
Yeah. Off of 130.
But where are we gonna go here? We're gonna go.
I've never been to JD, so I don't know where it's at.
No, it's
where the Madison is?
yeah, right on the Madison.
Well, yeah,
It's like right there.
Off of Broad Street.
Would you like to be in here, sir? This is your crib.
Yeah, sure. I mean, the cops just came. Kind of sucks. Slimmed it down, but niggers left.
Yeah, it's right on the same room as the way you go.
You probably can't see now, but all the cell phones are coming out of the woods now that the cops left. It's pretty funny. See all these little lights out there. Alright, so the party is broken up.
Get out of the road, man. This guy's fun.
Ah, crap. I'm about to get hit by a car. Me and Eddie are chilling. I don't know if this is going to see us, but I don't know. We're going to go to JD's bar and do karaoke.
Where people over 21 are welcome. We're not going to get harassed for our beliefs.
And not have like 50, well, there was like 100 and some people that ran the woods, but
Dude,
you know.
it was intense. And then they all came back.
Yeah, they did like.
They waited 25 minutes.
Why
and
did
they all
everybody
came back.
leave?
And then, of course, the cops came back too, so they were hip to the beat.
Yeah, it's time to go. So we're gonna skippity-loo-dah down the fucking street like.
Before we get fucking ran over.
We gotta hit Carl up though. We gotta get him to come too.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go do karaoke at JD's and jerk each other off.
Yep, pretty much.
We're at JD's now. Shit's popping. And Carl's saying his prayers and taking his vitamins. Carl's saying his prayers and taking his vitamins.
Hulk Hogan? Well, let me tell you something, brother. Let me tell you something. Hulk Hogan's old.
Okay.
Hi, Lori from Francesca's DJ.
This is wait, what's your name, bud?
Ryan.
All right.
He works at a pizza place.
He works at a pizza place too. This is Lori.
That's the White Eagle.
Me and her used to work. Hi, Frankie, you little fuckface. How's Sarah doing?
Stop picking on Sarah. She's a good girl. Right? Sarah will get revenge. She will. She has a tattoo.
You know, every time I see Sarah, you ever see that cartoon Bob's Burgers after Family Guy?
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about, right? If you look at the one girl on there, I forget her name, but that is Sarah's spitting image.
Really?
Yes, you have to look for it, Lauren.
Anyway, we're talking about Megan. She had a daughter, and I worked with Frank for many eons and everything.
There we go. Yeah, you were there way before I was there.
Oh yeah, way back. When I was in my 20s, now I'm in my 40s. But we're here together.
You're 40-something now?
I'm 46 and a half. 46 and a half.
How old do you think I am, Laura?
I think you're 33.
Yes, 32. Okay, yes, good.
Oh, I was close.
Oh, I love it. You were the best person to work with. You were so fun to hang out with.
Yeah.
No, she really was.
She's good people.
You guys are all
And
good
Bobby's
people.
still working there.
She is. She's a good person.
She's a very good person.
Anyway, Frankie.
Frankie, spit us some pizzas, you pizza slut. Alright, at JD's, I found my way into the ladies' room because it's a line at the men's room. So I got these drinks here, and I got a Red Bull. I did not want to drink a Red Bull because I have to get up tomorrow and video record our friend's first birthday, the child's first birthday, but hopefully go to bed. Pancakes. The whiskey, what's that?
Fireball, idiot. Ass wipe. Ass wipe. Take me a CD.
That's space.
Purple shirt. Purple shirt.
Purple shirt.
What the fuck about it?
Awesome in every way. We've been over. It's Joe's birthday.
She don't like the video camera. As the numbers are going. Michael! Michael!
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you tape me a CD?
Can you take me a CD? Hey, T, you ain't gotta tell me how fucking old I am, you asshole!
Let's look at Steve real quick.
Look at him. Steven!
Who's calling my name?
Steve has a useless dick.
You're the useless dick!
You're a useless dick.
You look like Jesus over there, Mike.
It's gonna go on all night, but
Jesus.
we'll make this quick. But I'm wearing the same clothes I wore at your party 2 weeks ago.
You did.
But you know, I haven't vlogged since then.
I'm not.
Yeah, well, you're clean. I'm dirty.
Yeah, it happens.
With a clean cut.
You got a dirty dick. It's sad Friday night, yeah? What night is it, Friday?
Yeah, blah.
Friday night, we'll not be attending any after parties tonight because I'm going golfing tomorrow.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna go out and jerk off all over this girl's face.
Oh my god. Who is she? What's her name?
She's not here and she doesn't know who it is yet.
And she don't know it's coming? Literally?
TJ, you better be out of your work.
Tell him to shut the fuck up. Hey, dog, shut the fuck up.
You don't tell me how old I am. I'm sick of hearing it.
She's ugly.
Steve's over there pooping his pants as usual.
Yeah, he's over here shitting himself. He's doing too many shots of fucking Fireball.
Okay, I'm fucked up. I gotta stop it.
Yeah, you look fucked up. You're like...
What do you think? Do I look look, she's all high. Do I look hammered?
No.
Alright, see, she said
No.
That's all I need to hear was one person.
You're
one
waving,
woman say I'm
you're
fine.
waving though. You're like... Mixtape got a little Hank, little Drake. Fuck you.
Alright, we'll cut this off. But we had a banger 2 weeks ago. I stayed in last week. I'm wearing the same clothes. You know, whatever. Shut up! Don't laugh at me.
We're gonna end this with a big.
We're gonna end this now, but it's gonna continue again.
Go to your girlfriend's parents' house and fuck. Go to your girlfriend's house and get fucked.
And take me CDs.
Take me a CD.
Shit, bunnies, piss shit, asshole, fuck.
Stewie Doss.
This is Freddie Washington.
Stewie.
He's on a $1 bill, look. Turn down for what? Turn my red hair down for what?
This
Just
little
$1 bill.
Russian prisoner.
The Russian prison scene looks just like him, right? Right? It looks just like him. Yo, I'm gonna message that motherfucker and say, look, I know you're fucking.
How you gonna message him? Twin. You know Facebook?
No, we can find him on there somehow. I don't know.
Alright.
Why, you little suck?
Freddie Washington signing off.
This George W. $1 bill. George W. $1 bill.
Yo, third.
Yeah, you heard me.
Fuck you.
Yo,
and that's cheddar pound for being by that motherfucker. Look at him.
you don't tell me how old I am, you fucking asshole.
Shoot yourself in the foot, motherfucker.
I'm sick of hearing it.
You won't even get your little fucking Freddie dick hard. It's gonna be a nightmare. Nightmare on
Ed.
What?
What are we doing?
Going to go see if that party's still going on. If not, they will drink in their backyard.
Alright, we're walking back to the party we left earlier. And I can't see what I'm doing because the light is blinding me. But that's where we're going. And Steve and Ed are ahead of me. Useless dick. We's at this party, we came back, and we got Larry here.
Alright.
Wait, tomorrow night's party.
Spaghetti.
Rory's party here. Spaghetti
There she
wrestling
is.
and all that shit. It's gonna be off the nuzzles.
Chilling.
Steve, how useless is your dick right now?
Turn down for what?
You still got a chance. Let's go. What are you doing? No, flip it, you fuckface. Look, you keep flipping and failing. Eddie, flipping and failing.
I didn't know what was going on.
Oh, what is that? Ah!
15
You ain't Chevy and you poured it.
shit, so I had to fucking do it.
Look what you did, you little jerk.
I had to do it. I had to do it. I had to fucking do it.
You're a little fucking shit.
TJ, you showed up. I had to fucking do it.
You did good. I'm proud.
That's
I'm
a
proud.
Ford right there.
Steve and
If you walk around the
his useless
party-
stick is gonna hit this.
If you walk around the party and you see someone
Let's
with
see
a
if he
bottle of
hits
Jack
us.
Daniels,
Let's see if he hits us.
mystery
Let's go.
solved. I'm saving you some work.
He's a miss.
I was drinking alcohol.
You's a missed. And you a
That
missed.
guy took it.
Got it.
You hit that cup and I missed it.
Yeah, 'cause you're an asshole.
Here, hold that. I'm gonna hit
You
this.
went out near mountain.
Why don't you hit a woman and be a real man?
Do I hit you?
I'll hit your mother.
I'll nail this cup and end this.
Do it, Frizz.
Not a cup. Stop taping me, you.
I remember the first time I was the
End your
Frizz.
game. End your game.
Let your testicles drop and then start making money.
Not that good. I'm not that good.
That's what all your ladies say. TJ's not that good.
My useless dick.
I mean,
You get that, Ed. That's all you.
don't you frizz me, boy.
But I'm an asshole and everyone
Eddie,
when they first meet me.
This dude's carrying me.
shoot that.
I'm gonna try to make it. I'm gonna try to make it.
Eddie, you make a cup.
At least one go.
5 by 1. Ah, but miss. It's not recording you, dickhead.
Yes, it is, asswipe.
The numbers are moving.
Yes. What am I, the Frizz? I know how to record.
Fuck. I missed.
I'm carrying this team. I hit the last 3 cups.
Shut up, you little fuck.
Frizz me, boy.
You know Brandon.
Man, this could be the game right here, Steven.
Eddie, you know Brandon.
With rabbits!
Yeah,
And that's the game, guys.
We won!
Good game, Steven.
I met him here.
I got a piss. Where am I piss?
Let's
go in the woods. I don't know, back there.
I ran from the cops when I came.
Watch out for that dinga-dinga.
I ran 3 miles
Right
that way and ended up back to the same place.
Steve Dobbs.
That was a good game.
Brandon.
You lost. You lost.
I'm doing hardball on my own fucking table.
Dobbs.
I mean, I'm doing Dobbs.
Carl.
I think you mean Steve Jobs.
We made $200 and 20.
TJ, let's bring my table down there.
Dude, I'll help you. Let's do it.
You gave me liquor.
Great. Too good for you.
And the beer pong table is moving down to the ground below. Oh man, that sucks. Look at these little fuckheads.
Brandon. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Much success.
You ain't motherfucking 32.
You seen The Wolf of Wall Street?
You're 22 years old, motherfucker.
He's 32.
No, I'm 32.
Let's get in this video here.
Matthew,
Yeah, it's it's all dark though. We can't see us. I'm on acid.
Fuck you.
I wish you could see ourselves.
Right,
better.
that flash shit, yo.
Wait,
What are you doing?
Wait, there we go. Now
You
you
had
can,
the
wait.
flash.
No, look, we can see us now. Look,
Bitch.
look, I can see you.
Fuck you. Nigga, you guys get married.
We might. You know, I wouldn't be surprised. They could have him.
What do you want, acid?
You gotta drink at the party, though.
Oh my.
Wait, did you have a good time tonight?
No, I really didn't. I ran 3 miles away from this party.
You were one of the ones that ran the woods.
Yeah, and I did. And I ran 3 fucking miles away from this bitch, and it came back to the same fucking party. Thank you very much. Fuck you. I'm fucking done. Fucking walking
We ran
away.
away, but we went to a bar and then we came back. So.
Yeah, but I'm fucking 20 years old. Catch me. Fuck you.
Call my ex tonight.
Tell him you don't have to say. Wait, tell him you don't have to tell me how old I am.
You gotta tell shit.
No, so you.
I'm
no,
fucking 20.
No, tell the
I'm
camera.
fucking 40 years old, bitch.
Tell him you don't have to tell me how old I am.
You gotta tell me how old I am, and fuck you. Fuck you.
You have to tell me how old
Honestly.
you fucking
What is
asshole.
your name? Fuck you.
TJ.
TJ. Fuck you.
Yes.
Who you fucking show this to? Fucking Judge Judy?
No. If we go to court, I'll put Judge Judy. I'm so sorry.
Very fucking Busey.
Eddie just showed me a video of his grandmother freaking shit. She was pissed, dude. I got a fart, by the way. Hold on. Yeah, I farted. I might have shit myself, but it's all good. It'll whiff it up.
TJ just fucking shot himself.
I'm trying to convince Eddie to let me go down the street where my mom used to work and break a bunch of windows in the parking lot and throw it against the building without my pants on. I don't think he's gonna let me do it though.
No, I say fucking do it.
You're driving later. I'm gonna go with you then. You know what I'm saying?
I say fucking do it.
Dude, I'm gonna do it. Relentless.
I'm not gonna do it with you, to be honest. I'll probably do it with you.
All right, so we'll figure it out in an hour. If you see us breaking shit in the parking lot, I'm sorry.
I ran naked like so many times fucking playing beer pong and shit, like whatever.
Tonight I feel like all the videos I took is just me with like people point of view of us like talking, but
Steve!
Do you wanna, there's a party fucking Saturday night if you're trying to go, bro.
Oh no, we got a party tomorrow night where I'm gonna vlog.
I mean, you get...
Well, I'm vlogging spaghetti wrestling, chicks in the nude in spaghetti, so that's gonna be pretty legit.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
It's my buddy's birthday and shit, like, shout out to my buddy fucking Joe, but he's got the fucking kegger going, he's got the fucking bar in his dining room.
Well, let me tell them, you're gonna see Eddie more often in my vlogs besides the other Eddie over here.
Yeah, because I'm gonna pick fucking TJ up.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get shit faced all the time.
I'm gonna pick TJ up.
He's gonna get video of me running down the street without my pants on constantly. That's what's gonna happen.
I've been there. Dude, I slid across a fucking car before in the rain and busted my fucking dude. I fucking bottomed out and busted my fucking
I have a video
ass.
of you sliding down slides and shit like fucking 6 o'clock. The sun's coming up. We're just going down the slides. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna cut this off. But I got a lot of videos in from 2010. They're not on my YouTube channel, but eventually they will be. But yeah.
TJ. He's out.
I'm walking home.
I made some good shit tonight.
Panties.
I should start inviting people over for dinner, dude. I cook. I'm serious. I cook. Yeah.
Steve, cook me a burger, Steve. Steve,
Dude, I make a mean hamburger.
Steve, look, I'm looking at you, Steve.
I cook my sauce extra long.
I love
It tastes
pasta.
Better.
I love
Like,
pasta.
I put sugar and
Steve cooks the extra long sauce in his hammer.
Cook it extra long and it
Useless
tastes good.
hammer.
And I mix the sausage in with the fucking rigatoni.
Fucking
Steve.
I should have been Italian. I don't
Steve.
know why I'm not.
My
'Cause
mom
that's all
was
I-
100%.
That's all I eat is I
Steve.
fucking
Other
love
than that, I'm
Italian
German
food.
and
Yo,
with the
C&H disposal.
TJ.
T-gay.
Yo,
It's starting
Ed.
to rain now.
I know, as I said, I felt it on my face. It was like dripping and 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 dripping. My useless dick. Steve! 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 Steve!
Yo, Steve, what's up? You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
I don't know. I've been dealing with drunks all night making pizza. I just had to have some fun since y'all got to have some fun drinking and I had to make y'all food.
It's still early. You want to come party? Let's go. You look like you're having a bad night with your car.
No, I just had to add oil, that's all.
We're going to go to your house. She's coming. Tell her to come.
I don't want to blow my shit up, so you know, I gotta check my fluids, you know?
We'll check your fluids.
Where the liquor's at?
Yup.
You got tequila?
Alright, it's like 4 in the morning. We're at 7-Eleven. I'm trying to go home, but I think we're going to stop by Steve's for like an hour, have some more drinks, and I got to film Roman's first birthday tomorrow, and which I'm really looking forward to doing. But yeah, I took it easy tonight. We'll see how that goes, but I'm going to be home in a little bit. But
Are you taking selfies?
okay, so I'm home, and me and Muncie are chilling. Muncie is obsessed with the fucking sink, and Muncie. But ever since I showed her the sink with the fish in it, she can't get enough of it. But I'm here, I'm home. Nothing crazy tonight. But Muncie wants to swim in the sink. Muncie. I love my kitties. But yeah, it was my night tonight. Hi, little baby. Yeah, you little Muncie. Yeah, go to your girlfriend's parents' house and get fucked. Bye-bye. Every time I come home, there is a cat in the sink, and her name is Muncie. Are you in the sink, Muncie? Are you in the sink, Muncie? Muncie, why are you in the fucking sink as usual? Oh, Muncie. Oh shit, I just scared the shit out of her. Let's turn the faucet on, Muncie. Oh, Muncie. Let's take this. Look, let's take this green stuff. There's a big load on the sink, Muncie. What are you doing, Muncie? Muncie load.
Ignorant fuckface. Motherfucker! Now I'm a dick! Oh, I'm a lazy motherfucker!